Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Doordash wouldn't let you rate your order. So let's get started. So here we can see the Doordash. Just open it here. Okay. So it's a very easy method. So to fix it, you can fix it very easily. So here I can see my Doordash. So for example, I've ordered something from Tatte Bakery. Okay. And if I want to rate it and Doordash wouldn't, so the first method is to wait for some time and it will. If it's not, then you have to go to account section at top section. Just click on here. Then you have to click on here at the last as frequently asked question. Then you have to go to the customer support here. Then you can chat from Doordash and say your problem and they will fix it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.